The shocking truth about plastic pollution in our oceans. A recent study conducted by a team of researchers from the University of Southampton has found evidence of plastic pollution in some of the deepest parts of the ocean. The study, which is the first of its kind, used deep-sea vehicles to collect samples of sediment from the bottom of the ocean floor, which were then analyzed for the presence of microplastics. The results of the study were alarming, with microplastics found in every sample collected, regardless of the depth or location of the sample. The researchers estimate that there may be up to 21 million metric tons of microplastics in the top 200 meters of the world's oceans alone. The study's lead author, Dr. Ian Kane, said in a statement, "We found that microplastics are everywhere in the deep sea, and are not just confined to specific hotspots. This is particularly concerning because we know that these tiny particles can have harmful effects on marine life, and can even find their way into the food chain." The study's findings highlight the urgent need for action to address the issue of plastic pollution in the world's oceans. Many countries have already taken steps to ban single-use plastics or to implement recycling programs, but much more needs to be done to prevent the proliferation of plastic waste in the world's oceans. The research team is calling for more research to be conducted on the impacts of microplastics on marine life, as well as for greater efforts to reduce the amount of plastic waste that ends up in the world's oceans. They hope that their study will raise awareness of the issue and spur action to address it. This news article could be used to create a video that discusses the issue of plastic pollution in the world's oceans, using footage of the deep sea and images of plastic waste to illustrate the problem. The video could also include interviews with experts in the field, as well as calls to action for viewers to take steps to reduce their own use of single-use plastics and to support efforts to clean up the world's oceans.